Stephen here from INEXTERIORS Painters and Decorators, and you're watching INEXTERIORS TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we cut in this door frame edge. What I like to use for cutting in door frame edges and tops of skirting boards are these Sash brushes. This is a 15mm synthetic Sash brush. If you would like to purchase one of these or one similar, please click in the link in the description below. With that said, let's do this. What I like to do is put about 1/4 of an inch worth of paint on the brush. Then brush a bit just before, then push it in, then just straighten it up. So let's let the bristles do the work. I'll show you again. Put it just before. And just let the bristles do the work. If you would like to see any more of my cutting in tips and tricks, please click on the card above. Okay guys, that is how you cut in a door frame edge. If you've got anything from this video, please like and share, subscribe, please hit that notification bell if you want to be notified of any future videos, and please leave a comment down below. Thank you very much for watching.